Hello YouTube, Fourthwind RC here. Today we're going to be unboxing the F-15 Eagle that I have recently purchased. Really looking forward to flying it and getting it up in the air as soon as I can. I got it from horizonhobby.com. Another thing is, if you're a returning viewer, please subscribe to this channel. 99% of my viewers are not subscribers, so if you can and you like the videos and everything, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Well, let's get into it. We're going to start unboxing this F-15 here. We got my new E-Flite F-15 Eagle with the optional Safe Select technology in it. We're just going to open it up. Literally just got it. Maybe we can get it together quickly. Oops. And go for a flight before some rain comes. So, that's everything out of the box. So that's how it comes right out of the box. Cut some of this tape loose. We got part of the wing right here. Another part of the wing. Here we got the two wing tips out of here, 4 little missile bombs. We got some little screws and control arms, the removable landing gear, and the steerable front wheel. We got the horizontal tail pieces. Pop this out. And we got the main fuselage. It's actually a lot lighter than I thought. So there's that. Got another bomb, the nose cone. One more bomb. And looks like the wing tip, so the wings are in two pieces. Or no, these are the horizontal. And here's my vertical tail pieces. There we go. And then it comes with a couple little no step stickers in the manual. That's it. And a spar. That's everything right there. Alright, well here it is. Fully built, fully assembled, ready to fly, transmitter set up. Probably about 30 minutes. All said and done, ready to go. Fortunately, with the rain and the weather we've been having here, haven't been able to fly it yet. It's been about a day now since I've gotten it. It's a lot lighter than I originally would have imagined for this plane to be. Another thing that I noticed I must have overlooked in the description, there's no rudder control. So I'm interested to see how this will fly. I've never flown a plane without rudder control. I'm not really worried about it by any means, but really kind of interested by that. So that's everything we got. Thanks for watching the video. Tune in again, we got more videos to come. I'm going to do another review on the Carbon Cub soon about my 6 months into ownership of the Carbon Cub since I've been flying it. Absolutely love that plane. But yep, stay tuned, subscribe, like, do all the things. Stay tuned for more.